everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share a very special unboxing with you guys. It is a pair of shoes that I am just absolutely in love for. I have shared another unboxing of this exact shoe but a different color, and I will link it all down below. So let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing. It came on Saturday, it got here, and I was actually out of town, so I had my brother come and pick it up for me. So it came in this box. I would show you the top, but my address is on there very big. I did already cut it open, and I already did peek in there, but I mean, she packaged it so beautifully that I didn't want to mess it up, so I had to wait and share it with you guys here on video. So this is the beautiful packaging that she did for me. I did order these off of Poshmark. So it is like another seller website, and I've always been like iffy to use Poshmark because I feel like there's just so many non-authentic things on there that they sell and they list that they are. And me, I like to know what I'm buying if I'm buying off pre-loved. But I have a pair of these shoes, so I know the difference between if they were fake or if they were real. So anyways, this is the box again. She packaged it beautifully. And I think another really cool thing about this is that I purchased these, I'm thinking on, I think it was Tuesday or Wednesday. And I got them on Saturday, and they came all the way from Puerto Rico. I was like, I could not believe that they got here so fast. So thanks to her because she sent them super quick. So let's go ahead and get out this beautiful box. So she did a little cute tie there, a little bow for me, and all the frillies inside of the shipping box. So let's go ahead and get this off and see them. I'm so excited. I have wanted these shoes in this color for such a long time, since they came out actually. And if you know anything about Christian Louboutin shoes, is that he has just like a season for anything that he comes out with. And if you don't get your hands on it whenever it's out, then it's definitely gonna go away. So you got to get your hands on it when you have the chance. If you don't, you're going to have to wait to see if you can find them pre-loved. And most of the time when you can find them pre-loved, they are all scratched up and used. But I was so lucky with this pair. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the first thing you see whenever you open it. She did write me a little thank you card. Let's see what it says. Hi Chantal, thank you for your shopping. Enjoy XOXO Jen. So she shipped them out on March 26th. So there is that. And then it did come with the dust bag, which I love. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, they are so fabulous. I can't even handle it. I got the Christian Louboutin Cataclou little espadrilles. They are gorgeous. And they are in the fuchsia pink color. I believe they're called grenadine and gold. And they are in the size 140. So this is what they look like. I feel like in person they look a lot deeper, like a deeper fuchsia pink, and on camera they're coming on like they're a lighter pink than what they are in person. I will add some pictures to show you guys what they look like, just in case in the pictures they look a lot different. These are brand new. Look at that. I'm so excited. I have now one more on my wish list that is from this collection that has there's just so many different collections that he comes out with, and the new spikes that he's coming out with, I'm totally not into, and these older ones I'm obsessed with. So I will put a picture of the black ones that I'm looking for. They're black with gold and the 140 heel, and I'm obsessed with those, and I cannot find them absolutely anywhere in my size. And in a newer condition. I know that's kind of asking for too much because it's been several years since this line came out, but if I found these, I can definitely find the black ones. So this is another one off of my checklist, but look at these. Oh my gosh. They are just so beautiful. I did get them in a size 38. They are the same size that I got my other ones in. And honestly, I feel like I really need to stop jumping on 38s and just get a 38 and a half, because I feel like the 38s are super tight. And since I really haven't gotten much use of my other ones, I feel like, I don't know, like I just felt like, oh, I'm gonna get a 38 because that's what the other ones are, and I forgot that they were super tight. But anyways, I'm thinking about starting to get them in a size 38 and a half. Oh my gosh. So they are so beautiful. This is like velvet right here, and this is what they look like. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh. See the beautiful studs there. They're gold. And look at that. They are so gorgeous. I just can't even handle them. They're so nice. This is the back of them. You can kind of see like where I touch. It changes. So even though these look like marks, they're not. They're just, it's the velvet. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. I'm so obsessed with these. I'm so glad I got my hands on them. And I can't believe that I found them brand new. To be honest, whenever these came out, to be completely honest, I didn't have $800 just lying around where a new pair of shoes would come out and I'd be like, okay, let's go ahead and get them. And that's really the reason why I couldn't get these whenever they came out. And now it's so special that these are the ones that I wanted. And I literally, what's crazy is I put them on my vision board, and it sounds pretty cliche, but I put them on my vision board at the beginning in January of 2019. And it's crazy that we're just barely end of March. Well, now we're April 1st, but we were end of March, and I found them and they were in the condition that I wanted them in, like pretty much brand new. So that is exactly what I found them in. And when I ran into them, I was like, oh, and she had just listed them, and right away I like inboxed her and I was like, I want them. I want them. I want them. So I'm just so glad that I got them. I'm so glad. They are so beautiful. I absolutely love them. The heel is, like I'm telling you, the 144 millimeter. So your foot is gonna arch all right here. So that's, if you guys, I mean, there's I think 3 different heel heights, and this one's like the highest. And I really need to calm down with those because they're not as comfortable as I would like them to be. I really need to go down a number in the heel height, and let me go ahead and compare them to the other ones that I do have. And these are, let's see, they're both 38s. Okay guys, so this is the pink pair that I just got, and this is the orange pair that I have, and they are just to die. I cannot with these colors, the orange with the gold, and then the pink with the gold. So now I have these two. I'm so excited. I just have one more that I need to get my hands on that I'm so excited to get as well. And my collection will be complete from these because I'm just obsessed with these. But that concludes my unboxing. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm so happy I finally got my hands on these, and I cannot wait to send them off and get them professionally sold, which is where they put the like protector on the bottom. And I think I'm going to get the like gel protectors where it's like a grip on the bottom of the shoe. So I can't wait to get those sent off and done so I can start wearing these, because it is starting to be a lot warmer here and I'm so excited so I can wear all these cute shoes. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in my next one. Bye.